Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the Photoshop series, we are going to continue in our creative trend using the keyframes, using the picture frame filter, and the door we had created in the previous video, and we had made an animation for this door to open and close. You will see the link here on the top, and you will find it in the description box for the complete tutorial on our tutorial website. Today we are going to add another creative idea. We are going to add a flying text through this door, and then to be positioned in the middle after that. So without any further, let me stop this motion and return to our keyframe, to the original one. We will collapse a little bit the timeline so we can work with it. Then F7. Okay, if you remember from the last video, that's the group boundaries, including the door and the decoration and the handle. Then this one is the page at the behind. This one is the frame of the door, and this one is the background. We will click on the frame. Now we are on the frame. Then we will select the rectangular selection tool, and we will select this side of the frame. Okay, and then Ctrl J. This side of the frame will be on a new layer. Then we will repeat this step again, but this time we will repeat this step again, but this time we will be on the background layer. Almost the same selection. Okay, and then again Ctrl J. Then we will select these two layers we had created, layer 1 and layer 2, and then we will merge them together. Right click on any of them, and then merge layers, and we will call this new layer the cover layer. Okay, if we hide the frame itself, you can find that this one includes part of the background and this side of the frame. We will turn the frame again. After that, we need to add a text layer with any text we like. So just press T, or you can select text from here. We will write text here on this area, which includes our cover layer. So we will click here. You can see here that the text layer is added on top of the cover layer. So I will write something simple. So simple ways for life. Control Enter V. Then I will bring it completely in the area. You can extend it even to the outside. You can extend it even to the outside here. It's no problem. It will not appear. If you have some pre-formatted styling from your library, you can add them. Okay, F7 again. We return to our layers. Then we need to hide this text layer under the cover layer, like this one. Then we will select both layers, the cover layer and the text layer. So Control, I click on the other layer I need to select, and we'll bring them to the top just under the curves layer, like this one. Okay, now I'm ready for my animation. I'll select my text layer, and I will hide the layers panel. I will go to my timeline. You can find here that I'm on the text layer. I will expand it from here. Then while I'm on the first frame, I will click this small stopwatch beside transform to record the initial position of the text. Okay, then I will drag the keyframe indicator to the middle where the door is completely open, and then I will move this text. You can move it by dragging it or using shift and the left arrow. I will move it completely to the outside from like this one, and then I will drag the keyframe indicator to the end of the timeline, and I will move the text using shift and the right arrow to the middle of the door. Okay, now click play and enjoy your flying text. And it comes and stops at the end. If you don't like to see your video rotating like this one, you can play it only for one time. Just stop it here, and you go from settings. Instead of looping, you just deselected the loop, playback, and you click like this one. It will run only for one time. If you need to run it again, you can press here to run it again. You can see your text is flying, coming from inside the door, and then returning back and stopping in the middle of the door. Thank you for following so far. I hope you had learned today a nice trick that you can use it in your coming illustrations. Join our channel, activate the bell, stay safe, and let me see you in a coming video with more creative ideas. Thank you for following so far.